But still proud of my players. Yung balik namin, medyo masama yung first half namin, but yung second half namin was solid. I think, yun lang, medyo nung overtime, medyo siguro, again, breaks of the game dahil challenge naman yung tiro ni Scotty na pumasok. So yun lang, medyo madami na kaming siguro third overs nung overtime. So yun lang kailangan namin siguro bawasan. But looking forward, tapos na to eh. We have a game on Wednesday and Friday. So yun lang, sabi ko lang sa mga players ko, let's stay together and let's move forward and let's focus on our next game. That's on Wednesday. It's very important also.
Si Gio, laro niya.
Si Gio.
Yung laro niya.
Yun lang, kinausap ko siya after first half. So sabi ko lang sa kanya mag-settle down siya. Medyo excited yung bata ng first half eh. But ang maganda doon sa batang yan, nakikinig, tapos bumabawi. So nakabawi. Malaking bagay yung nilaro niya ng second half. And yun naman yung inaasahan namin, grinding game against Ginebra. Looking forward dun sa execution dun sa dulo, offense and defense. Yun lang, medyo siguro mas maganda yung execution ng Ginebra.
Coach, medyo doon ako sa standings yun.
Yes,
back to back yun.
Ang maganda lang dito, although nandun kami sa magkakadikit kami nung mga nasa dulo, but still nasa kamay namin yung chances namin. At least yung tatlong laro namin, kailangan lang namin siguro paghandaan mabuti. Kung mapanalo namin yung tatlo, at least nandun kami sa gitna. But we will treat this one game at a time. We will looking forward muna dun sa Wednesday game against Global. So hopefully makapag-ready yung mga bata. Medyo pagod pa eh. Sana maganda yung recovery namin tomorrow at sa Tuesday.